going to form the government. I'm joined by the BJP MLA R.S. Pathania with me. Mr. Pathania, now we have seen that the allegations are being made that you have broken parties in Mumbai, in Maharashtra, also in West Bengal, Punjab, and you are doing similar in Jammu and Kashmir as well.
Bharatiya Janata Party is very frank, firm and forthright. We have not broken any political party across the country. If parties break down on account of their own inherent contradictions, on account of their own ideological differences, on account of, because the parties are not driven by ideologies, these parties are just cobbled up just for sake of the power, misleading rhetorics, misleading manifestos and misleading leader formations and organizational setups also. Let us talk specifically with regard to Jammu and Kashmir. We have dared Omar Abdullah, we have asked him very clear, very categoric, and we plan to pursue illegal action also. An elected chief minister cannot spread uncertainty like it. His MLA was purchased, whom it was offered. Today again he repeated the parrot cry, but he took a different line. BJP is doing this, and you talk about what you are going to do in Jammu and Kashmir. Why doesn't he talk that national conference is under the garb of this creating these issues and all, we could say commotions and confusion just out of thin air? National conference is itself facing an internal rebellion. A big section of national conference is opposing the family dynastic rule. You have come to see that national conference, Mr. Omar Abdullah wanted to field his son from one of the legislative seats, but there was an internal pressure and the baton could not be transferred to generation number 4. So there is a big uprising, there is a big rebellion.
NC will fall apart, that is what you are saying?
That's what I am saying, on account of its own internal weight, on account of its own inherent contradictions, on account of the Himalayan blunders and the, what we say, that utopian promises it has made in the manifesto, which it will never fulfill.
BJP is not in a fray to form the government?
Bharatiya Janata Party will neither break any political party nor at present in any position or has any plan to form government in Jammu and Kashmir.
Thank you so much, Mr. Pathania.